here is the hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for north and central Georgia. For today and tonight, continued periods of moderate to heavy rainfall are expected across portions of North Georgia as far south as Interstate 20 through mid-morning. Instances of flash flooding and flooding of smaller creeks and streams will remain a concern through the afternoon. A flood watch remains in effect through 8 p.m. this evening. A few storms this morning and early afternoon could become severe, capable of producing damaging wind gusts. A brief, isolated tornado also cannot be ruled out. A tornado watch is in effect through 11 a.m. this morning in portions of northwest and west central Georgia. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. The threat for hazardous weather remains low. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not requested, but spotters are encouraged to submit reports of severe weather through the web by going to weather.gov/Atlanta. Please relay any information about observed severe weather to the National Weather Service while following all local and state guidelines. Including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 3 has been issued from 3:50 a.m. Central Standard Time until 10 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama, Elmore and Tallapoosa. The current time...
There it goes.
The National Weather Service
tornado
in
warning.
Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Watauga County,
Whoa.
central Elmore County, until 9:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. For 15 miles, 8:59 a.m. Central Standard Time.
Tornado
A
warning.
severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ruth.
Oh, wow.
Northwest of Asheville, moving east
Look at that.
miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Millbrook,
getting radar.
Wetumpka, Elmore, Quisana, Deepsville,
Oh, yeah.
Eclectic, Setuck, Weoka Mills,
Look at that.
Golden Lake, Ten Cedar Estates, Dexter, Blue Ridge, Western Lake Martin, Claude, Holdfield, Wetumpka Municipal Airport, Central, Jordan Dam, Wallsboro, and Spike.
Yeah.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:45 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following county, Elmore, Alabama. The current time is
Wow.
9:01.
What? Again?
National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
That was
for
back to back.
eastern Watauga County,
Almost.
Elmore County, southeastern Chilton County, northeastern Lowndes County, Western Macon County in southeastern Alabama, southwestern Tallapoosa County, Montgomery County, southeastern Coosa County, until 9:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. 9:40 a.m. Central Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were
Yup.
located along the Atlantic Coast from nearby Still to Montauk County Airport to near Williamsboro.
There we go. And there it is, right there. A long tornado warning.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Montgomery, Clarksville.
Tornado watch, Russell County. Whoa, tornado watch. Tornado watch. Look, tornado watch, Russell County. There it goes. Yup.
Tornado watch number 3 has been extended until 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. Extended to include the following counties.
There it goes.
Alabama, Lee and Russell. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable
There it
for the
goes.
development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather
There it goes.
may be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned
Double
to
header.
weather radio,
Double
commercial
header.
radio and television outlets,
Double header.
or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Oh my god.
Watch number 3 remains in effect until 1 number 3 has been extended until 1 p.m. Central Standard Time and expanded to include the following counties in Alabama: Bullock, Chambers, Lee, Macon, and Russell.
Oh my
Remember,
god.
a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Back
While
to back.
severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, the tornado watch number 3 has been extended until 1 p.m. Central Standard Time and expanded to include the following counties in Alabama: Bullock, Chambers, Lee, Macon, and Russell. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Strong thunderstorms
Wow.
tonight.
Alert. Here it goes. Oops, sorry.
Severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Elmore County,
There we go.
East Central Alabama, Lee County in East Central Alabama, Macon
Yup.
County in southeastern Alabama, Tallapoosa County in East Central Alabama.
Oh, and Auburn.
Chambers County in Eastern Standard Time. Northeastern 9:38 a.m. Central Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a mile extending from Winter Creek 30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Tallahassee to near Tysonville to Montgomery, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Storms were located along 60 miles per hour. Creek State Park to near Martin Dam
Oh,
to near
yeah.
Tallahassee
There
to
we
near
go.
Tysonville to Montgomery, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I guess we're gonna go off.
Yeah, go figure. Well, we all knew that.
Siding and trees. Locations impacted include southeastern Montgomery, Auburn, Opelika, Alexander City, Tuskegee, Valley, Leaded, Tallahassee, Danville.
Told you they would probably have to extend it again.
Milstead,
Huh? It did. That one went off. Nice.
Because I turned it on.
I'm kind of zoom into that one.
Which one?
That one right there.
Yeah, go ahead.
Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Oh, that's not good.
Develop quickly from severe
It's rather
thunderstorms.
dangerous.
Oh, did the lacrosse go off?
No, I don't think I said it the right.
Oh, it's on tornado mode. That's why.
Yeah.
Let's see.
For your protection, move to an interior room
There we go.
on the lowest floor of the building.
Okay. Also, Auburn went off.
Did they?
Yeah, they did. There it goes. See?
At 10 a.m. in Columbus, it was partly sunny. Large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements
Oh, crap.
and possible warnings.
Oh crap!
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather
Look,
Radio.
look.
Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm
Whoa.
warning for eastern Elmore County in east central Alabama, Lee County in east central Alabama, Macon County in southeastern
What is that,
Alabama,
Dastec, I think?
Salapusa County in east central Alabama, southern Chambers County in east central Alabama, northeastern
Oh, yeah.
Montgomery County in south
Yeah, that's
central
Dastec, I
Alabama,
believe.
northwestern Russell County in southeastern
Oh, it's for us,
Alabama,
too.
until 10:30 a.m.
I thought it was only for
Central
Lee County. No, it's for us.
At 9:38 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were looked along a line extending from
What are you
Creek
doing?
Park to near Martin Dam to near Tallahassee to near
Okay, this is actually
Tysonville to
turning out really
Montgomery,
good.
moving east at 50 miles per hour.
I don't see nothing yet.
Hazard, 60 miles
I
per
see
hour
it's
wind
dark in the
gusts.
bit. Oh.
Is it actually?
Source, radar indicated.
Darker than normal.
Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
It might be coming.
Locations impacted include southeastern Montgomery, Auburn, Opelika, Alexander City, Tuskegee, Valley, Leonard, Tallahassee, Dadeville, Camp Hill, Notisulga, Milstead, Lafayette, Pike Road, Lafayette, Jackson's Gap, Shorter, Franklin, Waverly, and Lakeview. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
That's scary.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, give him the cable
A
box.
tornado watch remains in effect
Yes.
until 1 p.m.
Yeah,
Central
always says
Standard
that.
Time
I know,
for
that's
South
cool.
Central, Southeastern, and East Central Alabama.
Yeah. Another alert! Yep, I don't know. I'll watch.
Tornado watch number 3 has been
that failed.
extended until 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time
thought it went
and
off.
expanded to include
Oh, it's probably for
following
Georgia.
counties in Georgia.
Yeah.
Updates.
Harris and Muskogee.
Yup, that's Georgia.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions
Come
are
on now.
favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes,
No?
large hail,
Oh, there it
and
goes,
damaging
okay.
winds in and close to the watch area.
Turn the volume up on this.
While severe weather may not be imminent,
You can't do anything.
should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Oh, yeah. Jesus Christ. Severe thunderstorm for Russell County. Yep, here it goes. Yep, there's Auburn. And there it goes. Yeah!
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe
Yeah.
storm warning for Lee County in east central Alabama, southeastern Macon County in southeastern Alabama, southeastern Chambers County in east central Alabama, Russell County in southeastern Alabama, until 11 a.m. Central
Is
Standard
that one on
Time.
standby?
At 10:21 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending
Oh,
from near
yeah,
Chambers
dude.
County Lake to near Crusader to near Beauregard to near Society and to Davisville.
Auburn's going off too. Come on.
65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Phoenix City. Source.
Oh, Phoenix City, we're impacted.
Smith Station, Lakeview, Gazetta, Beulah, Butch,
Beulah.
Beans Mill, Riverview, Beauregard,
Yup.
Valley, Leaded, Hurtsboro, Smith Station, Lakeview, Cosetta, Beulah, Huckey, Denson, Beans Mill, Riverview, Beauregard, Davisville, Laker, Chambers County,
Oh,
Lake,
yeah.
and Russell County Sports Complex. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern and east central Alabama.
That was perfect. If your county system was, my radar sends the same header that's loud as crap. What? Move. Alright. Auburn. Oh wait, it's the Daz deck. Daz deck.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe
thinking that's
thunderstorm
Auburn.
warning for Lee
What's the
County
Daz
in
deck?
central Alabama,
sunny out.
southeastern
Well, it's not
Macon
here
County
yet.
in southeastern Alabama, southeastern Chambers County
This
in
is the
east
second
central
Daz deck alert of the day.
Alabama, Russell County in southeastern Alabama until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:21
Weather
p.m.
radio is still your
Central
best
Standard
bet.
Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending
Yeah.
from near Chambers County Lake to near Cosetta to near Beauregard.
KFFC,
to near
NWS.
Davisville, moving east at 55 miles per hour.
That's the radar.
Hazard,
That's
60 miles
Peachtree City.
per
Yeah.
gusts.
Even though that's not what it's from.
Radar
Alert to the
indicated
emergency.
I heard something in there.
impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Auburn, Phoenix City, Opelika, Valley, Leaded, Hurtsboro, Smith Station,
Let me show you the
Lakeview,
day one runs.
Cosetta,
Yeah,
Beulah,
who cares
Huckey,
about that?
Denison,
Slight
Beans Mill,
consecutive.
Riverview, Beauregard, Davisville,
Yeah.
Bleecker, Chambers County,
Oh, yeah, Bleeker's
and
getting
Russell
impact.
County Sports Complex. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a
Yeah, we're
building.
probably about to get hit by it.
A tornado watch remains in effect
gotta do-
until
I've
1
gotta
p.m.
upgrade
Central
this.
Standard Time.
Well, it's not
for
that thing's fault,
southeastern
it's
and
the
east
Daz
central
deck.
Alabama.
I know they got upgrade.
I love that noise.
Which is funny because I hate that noise.
Movement was east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard.
Here it goes.
The National Weather Service
Nice.
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Muskogee County in west central Georgia, Chattahoochee County in west central Georgia, Southern Troup County in west central Georgia,
That one didn't go off.
Southwestern Talbot County in
That's only
west
set
central
for here.
Georgia,
Yeah, I'm negative.
Harris County in west central Georgia until 12:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:37 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Cannonville to Bartlett's Ferry Dam to near Marvin, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Completely neglected this stuff.
Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Is this?
Locations impacted include Columbus,
Whatever.
LaGrange, Hamilton, Cosetta,
Lagering.
Waverly Hall, Pine Mountain Callaway Gardens, North Fort Benning Lawson Army Airfield, Lib City, Eupatoy, Shiloh, Green Island Hills, Catula, Columbus Metropolitan Airport, Mountain Hill, Jamestown South Fort Benning, Benning Hills, Benning Park, and
This is one of
Bartlett
my
Ferry
favorites.
Dam. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for West Central Georgia. Strong thunderstorms will impact our internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Tornado watch number 3 has been extended until...
So K9 immediately gets to the area, and the dog picks up his scent.
Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot out here. Let's see. Oh, so that way. Storm's coming. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna go record the storm.
Is that still recording?
Yes.
Well, okay, wait. Do me one favor.
Judy. Oh my god. Alright.
Oh my.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, look at that.
Uh-oh. Spaghetti.
Look at that, dude.
Mail. Jesus. That's dark. It's hot out here. You can stay. That.
Yes.
Oh my god. To record this.
Look at that. Wow.
Hey Liam, I got something for you to record.
What?
Relative humidity 68%.
Oh, I'm gonna go record.
Wind southwest at 6.
I wanna record
This is
outside.
not allowed to leave the store.
I'm gonna go. Ow, my ear!
Oh, hang on, I want to get something. I'll take this.
It's moister and oyster. Woo! Oh yeah. Metal rooster loud. Wow.
Well,
It's moister than an oyster.
I mean, it's